In today's video, we'll recommend the best budget dashcam to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Budget Dashcam 2022 is Z-Edge R1 Wi-Fi Dashcam. Best budget dashcam for wide range of features. Proving it's possible to buy a dual camera system for under $100, we present this dashcam by Z-Edge. When used on its own, the front camera records in 2K resolution, or when the rear camera is attached with the included cable, they both shoot full HD at 30 frames per second. There's Wi-Fi for quickly transferring files to your smartphone, a wide dynamic range, not quite the industry standard high dynamic range, but still useful, and a large 2.7-inch display for setup and viewing recordings. The dashcam accepts microSD cards up to 265 GB, which provides enough storage for 40 hours of full HD recordings when both cameras are in use. At number 4. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Best budget dashcam for saving space. We admit we've gone slightly over budget here, but we think this is the best compact dashcam available today. The Mini 2 uses Garmin's wonderfully simple and compact windscreen mounting system, which takes up just a coin's worth of space, and is incredibly compact. Despite the size, the Mini 2 still packs a punch, with a full HD resolution at 30 frames per second, a 140-degree lens, and HDR to help balance exposure in exceptionally bright and dark environments. This is key, given how the primary function of a dashcam is to clearly show details like vehicle registration plates and road signs. A Wi-Fi connection means videos are automatically uploaded to Garmin's cloud storage service when an internet connection is detected. At number 3. Nextbase 222. Best budget dashcam for full HD at a high frame rate. Another big-hitting brand in the dashcam market, Nextbase 222 pairs a full HD imaging sensor with a 6-layer glass lens for impressive video quality for the price. We especially like the quick-release magnetic mounting system, as used by all Nextbase products. This makes it easy to remove the dashcam and switch it between vehicles, while the 2.5-inch display is handy for getting the dashcam's position just right and viewing recorded footage. There's also infrared night vision and a parking mode. At number 2. Z-Edge Z3 Pro. Best budget dashcam for a high-resolution front and rear view. Proof that $100 can go surprisingly far with today's dash cams, this model has two cameras in a single unit. One faces out of the windscreen and records at 2K resolution, while the second faces into the interior and records at Full HD. Dashcams with interior cameras are best suited to taxi and rideshare drivers who might want to record their passengers, with a notice explaining as much, of course. Both cameras have fairly wide, 155-degree lenses, and there's infrared night vision to ensure nighttime recordings can be relied on in the event of an accident. Parking mode is also available, where the dashcam fires into life if a parking prang is detected, but a hardwiring kit or external battery is required for this to function. At number 1 of the top 5 best budget dashcam 2022 is Thinkware F70. Best value from a big-name dashcam brand. Thinkware is a top brand in the dashcam sector, and the F70 is one of its most compact and affordable options to date. This forwards-facing camera features a 2.1 MP CMOS sensor that records Full HD 1920 by 1080 footage at 30 frames per second. The lens is 140 degrees, which isn't the widest we've seen but is still roughly par for the course in the sub-$100 end of the market. Like most dash cams, there is no battery. Instead, a supercapacitor holds enough charge to ensure footage is saved and the camera switches off correctly when it is unplugged or the car is switched off. Additional features include a parking mode, which requires the optional hardwiring kit, sold separately, and there's a port for adding Thinkware's GPS antenna. Thank you for watching the top 5 best budget dashcam 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our dashcam buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.